Hello guys, once again I am going to show you how to reset the oil maintenance light, and this a Toyota 4Runner 2023. Now first what you got to do is to put the vehicle into the second running, and then you have to make sure that this go to trip A. So when it's on trip A, you're going to turn the vehicle off, and then you're going to hold down this button here, and you're going to press the start button twice, and then that will cause the reset of the maintenance light. That is how you reset the maintenance light on this a Toyota 2023 4Runner. I hope this video helps someone. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you like, share, and also enjoy my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.